Hello guys, this is Avinash and I welcome you all to our channel Everything Metallurgy. So guys, today I am so happy to announce that this Independence Day on 15th August we have launched our website in which we have uploaded our test series as well as our pre-recorded video courses. So in this video I just want to briefly explain you about what we are offering you guys. Okay, so already if you are aware, I already released a brochure prior to the website launch itself, which tells you about the details of what we offer, and also important thing is schedule of how the things are released. So the schedule is very much important for you if you are willing to take and join us, because in schedule what we have mentioned is what are the release dates of which our videos or our test series will be out. So here we have 4 packages as of now which we are offering. We have 2 different kinds of test series. Number 1 consists of previous year questions, previous year full tests. Okay, so complete 3-hour test you can sit and practice. Along with it we are providing new pattern, that means which includes MSQs and also the new revised syllabus. Okay, so we are as of now committed to 5 new pattern tests, but don't worry, we'll try to over deliver what we have promised whoever is purchasing this one. Okay, so along with that we have one more thing which we call complete test series. Okay, this will be beneficial for freshers or third years who are writing GATE for the first time, or even fourth years who are writing for the first time, because we are giving you topic wise tests so that you can plan your preparation accordingly. So we have provided the schedule, so as you can see right now on the screen, so this is giving you the topic names also. Okay, so these are the topics which you will be finding questions from. Okay, so and also you'll have all this stuff like all the previous year questions and previous year full tests. Okay, and I think I forgot to mention this is from 2010 to 2020. I'll talk about 2020 in a bit. Okay, and also obviously we have all the full tests which are of our own. Okay, so overall we are giving you guys about 58 tests as of now. Okay, and these will be released according to our schedule, whatever is given to you guys. Okay, so you can also check the price details in our brochure or in the website. So on the screen itself you can see everythingmetallurgy.in. Just log in and go check out the price details also. Yeah, one more thing, 2020, though this year GATE, I think we are the first one to provide full test for everyone who visits our website for free of cost. Okay, everyone can use this as a demo. Even before IIT Bombay's website, we are so happy to tell you that we are launching it for everyone, that too for free of cost. Okay, so go check this out. Fine. So now comes the video courses. So in video courses, actually we have already started a live batch starting from 15th August. Okay, so it will be going on, but video courses are planned such that right from basic concepts you will be able to do till advanced. Okay, so we designed this course such that you will not miss any of the concept according to the new syllabus. Okay, this is important because there are some important topics which were added, and of course there are some topics deleted, but to be honest, even those are deleted, in some or the other way they can creep into some questions. So that's why we don't want to remove out the older syllabus. So we are so happy to tell you that not only we include new syllabus, but we are also following the older syllabus topics, so that if they club any 2 or 3 concepts, you will be aware of it. Okay. Now, video courses are for GATE 2021 as well as for GATE 2022. Okay, so here, yeah, this is 2022. Okay, so in video courses we are providing 10% early bird discount for the first 15 students. Okay, so go grab it, because this will help you crack GATE and bring you success. Okay, so this is something which I wanted to tell you. And yeah, this schedule is also available, how we are going to release the videos. Okay, so in the schedule, the release dates are out already. Of course, as we know, we are only 3 days, right? 15, 16, 17, and today is 18. So in the 4 days, we have already provided 14 videos from physical metallurgy and thermodynamics. So we'll definitely strictly follow our schedule and complete the whole course by November. And I'm getting many queries like, okay, you are only giving in this 1 week, so is it that you only must watch the whole videos in this 1 week only? No, this is just a release date for you from us. Okay, so you can watch accordingly which package you are taking. If you are taking for 2021, you can watch till February, maybe 13th or 14th, we don't know yet. Let's assume the second Sunday of February 14, 2021, you can watch till it. Similarly, if you are taking for 2022, you can watch till Feb 14th, 2022. So this will be your validity. Okay, so this will be your validity of the course, that will be in your ID, right? Now I got one more question, that how many times are we allowed to watch these videos, right? For our security and to make the videos and all safe, we are giving you 3 times a video. That means you can watch a video for 3 times. Don't worry, if you are not able to understand a concept, you can always reach us. Even after 3 times, if you are not able to understand or some technical issue is there, we are definitely increasing the limit for genuine reasons. Otherwise, even though you have watched 3 times carefully, okay, by sitting it for the whole time, even then you are not understanding, then we are happy to tell this also, that we are going to conduct live session of that particular concept, whatever you are doubtful in. Okay, so I think this is one good thing, because not only just watching the pre-recorded videos, but you will be with us. We are continuously monitoring what you are doing and what videos you are doing. Okay, and obviously we are here to clear all your doubts in any of the concept. Okay, now what if you want more times? There comes our app, Everything Metallurgy app on Google Play Store. So what is the speciality of this app? One thing that is very much unique is that you can easily download the videos into the app itself. So we know that due to lockdown, many people are facing network connectivity issues and all, so that we have worked such that in app downloads you can do. That means you can download a video into your app when the network is good, and you can watch it n number of times whenever you are free. Okay, so the main advantage of this video course is that only maybe students from rural areas who have network connectivity issues, or maybe someone who is already doing some job and they want to prepare in whatever free time they get, then this one will definitely help you out. Okay, again, for the prices, please go check out our website, and don't forget, I'm again repeating you, 10% early bird discount is already fast filling. So please, if you are interested, go grab it right now. Now, what are the other things? So we have a new WhatsApp group that will be created. okay, which is only acting as a discussion forum. Okay, so whoever is taking our test series will come into a group. Okay, so the whole test series guys will be in the first group, and whoever is taking our video courses, these guys will all be in one more group. Okay, so I don't want to mix and match, because as the schedules are different, the doubts may be different, and I don't want to club these two. But definitely, if there is any genuine question or concept that we are willing to share, we'll be sharing to both of these. And yeah, the video course guys will be discussing, that means the live online session students will also be sharing this discussion forum with the video courses guys, so that it will be a good discussion, a good interaction, so that not only me or our team clearing your doubt, but you can discuss among yourselves, make good connections, so that you can prepare accordingly to GATE collectively. Okay, so this is one thing we are working around, and by tonight this will be launched. Okay, so these are some FAQs actually which I got in the past 1 week about the courses and the test series. So I only think this is one of the affordable GATE MT coaching, like you can that no need to tell this, but yeah, at this affordable prices we are not at all compromising on quality. Okay, don't worry, the reviews will also be up on the website soon. Okay, we are just waiting so that at least one subject finishes for the existing students, and we are releasing our feedbacks of the students directly on the website itself. Okay, so watch the videos carefully, learn it, and then along with the videos, yeah, one more thing, along with the video course you will be getting the complete test series pack itself. No need to pay anything extra, it is included in the video course itself. So watch, learn, and test. Okay, so this is the thing which we follow. Watch our videos, learn the concepts, study from important reference books, and then test by taking our tests from the test series. Okay, one more question, constant question I get regularly is about study material. Sir, will you provide study material or not? See, I myself believe in a quote where it says like this: if we see something, okay, first of all, if we listen something, you can only grab 20% of it. If we look or if we watch something, you can grasp 50% of it. If you listen, watch, that is looking, and think about it, thinking in the sense by making your own notes. Okay, please make this, you can grab till 90%. Okay, and the rest can be covered by revising by yourself or by explaining, by teaching to some other else. You can always improve your concept by teaching to someone else. This is the main reason, or this is the main thing where our discussion forum will help you all. Okay, so this is the, see, I myself believe in this, so I don't want you guys to just mug up some book, some reference book or something, but complete involvement of yours is needed in order to crack some good ranks. Okay, so that's the reason we are not providing study material, and we are not regretting for that. Okay, it's not like we don't have any study material or we are not providing it. We wantedly are not doing it because of this particular reason. So I hope this video clears all your doubts. Now please go check out our app or our website, where you have already 2020 free test. Okay, complete GATE paper for free, Apart from that, we are regularly launching some free videos or free content over there, not only on our YouTube channel, but we'll now be active by writing some blogs and also by providing some free videos for you guys on the website and the app. So go check out our app or website. Links is in the description. So if you have further details or any other queries about the courses or the test series, you can always contact us at our mail ID and also at our mobile number, which is also provided in the description. Okay, the same number is here. 424. Okay, so this is the mobile number, and you can always email us, and you can also follow us on all the social media handles. We are everywhere here. We are on Insta, we are on Facebook, we are on YouTube. Okay, mail is already there. So please get to us if you have any doubts. Thank you for watching this video. Join us to get success in your path. Thank you guys.